Are you tired of wasting ad spend on PLA keywords that never convert? Learn how to uncover your competitors' top-performing products in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through Semrush's PLA Research tool step by step. First, we'll set up your project, then dive into the data. First, go to Semrush Folders. Then, click on Advertising. Now click on Play Research. Review this part of the screen, which shows the PLA Research overview. Click on the highlighted area to select a country. Select US or your country from the dropdown. Click Search to get your results. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.